na Awuni oni eyem Charlotte Oduro wasem bi dada ne yenim ana asa asem bi oho because ne nsem a wo ka no wasi ubu kuna nke yenya awaware sanso ana counselor Lutterodt e chire mu a te say letter na e baaye no letter na e free Solomon Oduro ministry se ho baaye no o sebi nyanse bi enim na ye ya we ka che ezezi ayenye ne dey let's start ghtrends and then first time for pizza video so subscribe and no click on notification bell so the latest update bi aba on sabet me aka na wa share ama fofra be share no follow your Facebook as let's start ghtrends and TikTok as let's start gh any comment bi awo no betimi ja comment section ho e de amame ebusa no adam de be som mo say eye counselor Charlotte Oduro eni ni kunu tintontan aware negu che se fi be ma na ka che ana omo de communicate letter ebeto abontin e kire say omontemati for 3 years but traditional marriage no de nsane sika ko hu abusia ne de omugu na last year nti finally or the letter aba wo be cheche ma kire yen say omuni ho bim say de be ya misinformation bi ni nsem bi ankoso e wo ba bia na eno ene chese na no pay ye mami Christiana Awuni na me koye me na ye mami woni Charlotte Oduro wasem bi na ye ndima na wase wase mami ni de ne namu mirika be pa ma achew because no man ye to say ase no ne de ye good ana ba bi ebi mu wona nye na se wo buade a
they've been separated for 3 years what
minimum
unte ene me ka chiro
wajaya wari
official statement to crab and nikunu dia ba beto ho according to nikunu no a problem with submission on boade and stuff intimating na me say Christiana Awuni we
me we asaka mama ne muaye dada
what any farmer no
me we aka mama ne muaye dada enti na onim so that time na wo ka ema ho asem na wonjaya ware not ya ware ase ana ho na pese me hu ansa na
no ne asem no
na minim say 3 years ni dia waja ware 3 years ni wo
they've been separated for 3 years but officially normally letter aba say she say they no more to meet you the first person about him say hey because me ka video ne pa me hear story ka fa ho when do baby na ga say too much this woman is attacking us hey day and a holy Saint Mary uja ware
enya nwanwa
na nwanwa
ewiase obi anim adichem nsam
sa
obi ani the next minute the next hour unnim de beto enti wo de wasem maya na se bibi ntowa na obi de aba susuka na ayese otufuo se be wo kan kwase asem na akire emao minim because baby awu ho adwo no obi ho nyo no wo ho obi aware ase wuntimi mo wuram enkanya wo ne nete won na tia ware na se ena onim ne ha no wom na wo always you attacking a ma attacking a ma no aja mema no wo de wo de aba ebi kura na de wo ye nti na nyame atua wo ka
do you think it was about apologize to Yana
one my mamra so on ferry na se nani anya yi a eso oba no oba ebe pacho said ye no wo ka no wan ka ni ye fi se wuntimi so repreko pe engu emma no ma se nkire se wo munye se wo mu wo mu kunu no ubu kunu akwaja
Christiana chese de free ye mami Christiana Awuni ho e baaye no chese we message to Charlotte Oduro wasi wubu wukuna anke yenjao as a backlash ya do so Ghana for e de na ekoso ana ma me nsem na okan na afi de ye munyina mashi na munyina matumo na egu no so na ne kurere de ne huni asewana na sanso ana ye counselor Lutterodt nze counselor Lutterodt de ba ware asem na wanka bia ne asem no anko wie osim letter ni mu nsem no doesn't sebi osi make sense afa so no adenti na muntimi nyem ade wa ba mu be nyankopon ministry ne film because o de letter na eba no it could have been sent ka obeka say from one kasa wo ho no abudin apostle Oduro me na me de letter yi ba asori na ministry na o de tache ye ne o say you can say make sense and also what that says the letter ni fi papa no because if papa no ho ana che sebi wanye ni
Oduro ministries men to sebi o ma dwen ebie na o ma dwen mu ado minim nkwala dodo a apostle Solomon Oduro any Charlotte Reverend Charlotte Oduro me minim fie dudu o ma ware but say so for edge letter the about public say press release nyansa ben ne tie letter ye otro ye chi so for our advisors our secretaries ana onu nkwa na ye na adwuma ti say ojaba announcement of the dissolution of marriage between Apostle Oduro and Reverend Charlotte Oduro. Mo Jimmy off. Whoever contorted this letter, whoever did this fake letter, whoever brought this letter, mo Jimmy off. Mo yankwasia for off. Nyami be tua mo car off. Mo ye Jimmy for mo ni nyansa. Say ampa, say Apostle Oduro, ewo ministry be say Solomon Oduro Ministries. rvfci.com rvfc@gmail.com Kwabenya opposite Puma filling station. Now hear me, mentiasie. Social media in an AINT, you're careful. Apostle Oduro sorry no. Your friend Solomon Oduro Ministries are now. Your Prophet Emmanuel J Ministries, PEA Ministries. Your Counselor Lutterodt Foundation. Say asemesi ne. Na me ye press release between me and me ira wadi egua. Why should I release a letter on the church's letterhead or the ministry's letterhead? You know what? Maybe I'm the Jimmy and Fiba on you. I didn't debia a pese they are sorry for the yenyama. It's a minji letter need. Apostle Solomon Oduro, oni Charlotte Oduro, mo wale nguye. Na se gunso a enfire. Charlotte Oduro nkomo obedi ni abeku Santana. Utie mo. Fiti day one. Awade bi enu e Charlotte hwehwe ni. No de to aso tena awade no.
No. Or see or a public figure. Na on pese bi mun ka de omunnim into the krata bible until non treachery we say it is not accepted in law.
Me bacho in law. What catch yourself ma go through divorce. I'm a divorce certificate now.
You are
or catch yourself.
Hold on. You're asking me another question.
Bacho in law.
I asked you which part of the law says that bearman to mean through krata non treachery must say na ekoso.
But the woman say you say you call for annulment of marriage. Na ye grante ya de di kan alimony woman ye wie child custody woman ye wie ye ni nyina wie a ye man nyina certificate of divorce. I'm talking about the civil marriage, not traditional marriage. And it's a divorce certificate na mind. Now you mean na into understanding, especially if you are in the public space, on how to address the public. It's not one man show. It's not one man show. And the content of what you read have never stated so much divorcing.
Lutterodt, you're taking me through the pain of reading the letter again.
No, it's not so. No, you are taking it one after the other. And there's nothing in the letter that shows say they've gone through divorce. The letter says they have been in separation. Yes or no? And when did the man celebrate his birthday? On the last birthday the man celebrated, Charlotte was there. As what? When was the last time the man had sexual intercourse with Charlotte? How old is their last born?
I would say I said the Counselor Lutterodt no necessary or can say looking at my men some can ye be no because so follow a Charlotte Oduro pa Counselor Charlotte Oduro follow ni pa say from the beginning none in sema waka and a ukunuchiti afachano and a way say afachano and a warrior yentokwa none in sem to say a do time be none no masem asa. Na fe o ka bibi foforo afo otimika say enipa na hwe no ha wa akọ any sansam nti people were like amami ade na ware ne eshiki ana say bibi koso ana ye nima na because ne numu nsem from the beginning no e do time be from last year banyina no ne numu nsem no asesa. So people were actually saying say say bibi e koso until say ni kunu e de sa letter we e ba abontin a say abe confirm say ampa bibia enye boko e wona kachie. Eti ebusa de ekoso ana me de aba besom no me guso amede mani edi atwe say ye beti bibi efre ye Charlotte Oduro na nkasa nenum anaso no abeba abonti abe oni apse ampa meni me kunu eni wo biema until then me de mani edi atwe any update bi aba me de ebebro. Don't forget so be follow your Facebook as Let's Talk GH Rumors and at TikTok as Let's Talk GH. Meeting Edina Nakes answer. Makram.